Hey Omnisenders, April is not just about spring showers leading to May flowers. It's also about showering you with updates and new features that'll make your marketing campaigns blossom. We've been quite the busy bees working on improvements and new additions that continue to bring you the power and efficiency along with the affordability you've come to expect from Omnisend. So grab your favorite springtime snack, get comfy, and let's dive into the fresh new features and updates we have in store for you this April. Reminders. First, an awesomely exciting announcement for all of our Shopify merchants. We're bringing product reviews to Omnisend, to a place where they truly belong, seamlessly integrated alongside your email and SMS, forms, and push notifications. Starting April 23rd, product reviews will find their new home right here in Omnisend, making it easier than ever to collect and highlight customer feedback to boost brand trust and sales. Can't wait for the launch date? No worries, product reviews is now available in beta, and we invite you to try it out. With our latest upgrade, you can automate post-purchase product review requests, showcase your positive product reviews on your Shopify store, and attract more traffic to your store. Next up, we're celebrating your success with a marketing playbook. Have you ever created a campaign, workflow, or strategy that's been a game changer for your store? We believe your success stories deserve the spotlight and, yes, a reward too. So share your standout strategies with us. And if we feature your story in the marketing playbook, you'll not only inspire fellow merchants, but also receive a $50 Amazon gift card as a token of our appreciation. It's our way of saying thank you for making the Omnisend community a richer, more knowledgeable place. So if you're ready to share your success and earn a reward, drop us an email at marketing.playbook@omnisend.com and let's get started. Email Builder. Now let's delve into the updates we've made to the email builder. First on the agenda is a fantastic enhancement to our product picker. When composing an email and looking to feature a product, you now have the ability to showcase not only the product, but all its available variants directly within the email body. This means you can highlight the exact variant, be it color, size, or any other specification that you want to promote. Simply open the product picker and you'll see all the variant options laid out for you. Choose the one that best fits your campaign message and it will be added to your email. Automations. Moving on to automations, we've implemented updated frequency settings that mark a shift in how segment-based automations are triggered. As of March 12, 2024, the retrigger workflow feature has been discontinued. However, we've ensured a smooth transition for everyone, so no worries about losing any data on your part. For those of you who had the retrigger workflow toggle activated, your workflows will continue to trigger every time a contact re-enters the segment, just as before. And if you've had the feature turned off, we've automatically applied the frequency settings with the option at any time. This means that your workflow will trigger only once for each contact, maintaining the behavior you're accustomed to without any extra steps on your part. Segmentation. Next up, let's explore the substantial improvements our audience team has made to our segmentation this month. First off, managing your contacts just got a whole lot easier. With a revamped contact list page, you can now search for contacts using not just their email address, but also their phone numbers. Additionally, the list now includes the phone numbers of your contacts right on the main page, giving you a more comprehensive view of the information at a glance. And to help you manage consent more effectively, we've updated the display of channel consent status. You'll now see three distinct statuses: subscribed, non-subscribed, and unsubscribed for each communication channel, enabling you to swiftly identify and respect the consent preferences of each contact. Diving deep into the individual contact management, we've introduced new events that let you see what a specific contact enters or exits a segment. The entered segment and exited segment. Events now visible on your contact activity page offer you a window into the movement of your contacts between different segments. While historical data for these events won't be available and they can be used for further segmentation, this feature is a big step forward in tracking engagement and segment interaction. And lastly, we've brought more clarity on how segments interact with automations. Whether you're importing new contacts, deleting or updating a segment using automation, or converting non-subscribed contacts to subscribed, we've made it transparent by showing the number of automations affected and, where applicable, the names of those automations. This will make sure you're fully informed on the impact any changes might have on your ongoing automations. Integrations. Wrapping up our April updates, let's take a look at new ways to make your marketing easier with our latest integrations. First on our list is a new integration between your Omnisend and Ecwid accounts. This integration simplifies how you use your store's data. You can now easily keep track of who's buying what and use that data to send out emails and texts that are more likely to catch your customers' interest. It's also a breeze to remind shoppers about items they've left behind in their carts or suggest other products they might like, all directly through Omnisend. For those of you building your presence with WordPress, we've added a handy add-ons tab to our plugin. This new feature is your shortcut to finding and integrating Omnisend compatible applications that can help you grow your list of contacts. With these apps, you can more efficiently collect new subscriber information and further improve your outreach efforts. And there you have it, folks. Each update this month is another step towards making your marketing journey smoother and more intuitive. We're here to support you, offering tools that not only save you time, but also help you connect more effectively with your customers. And remember, whether you're exploring the new integrations or fine-tuning your campaigns, our award-winning team is just a message away, ready to assist you in making the most out of Omnisend. And of course, stay tuned for more updates, more features, and more ways to succeed with Omnisend. Catch you in the next one.